So this is one side all brushed out. You guys, I love this texture. The way it is, I actually love it. This is so, it's giving soft afro. Okay, this is the texture all brushed out. What's up, beautiful people? How you doing? I hope you guys are good, because I am doing amazing, as you guys can see. Okay, so today I have a kinky curly wig from my people at Nadula hair, and I can't wait to try it out because it's been a while since I had kinky curly. I've had curly wigs, but kinky curly, it's been a while, so I'm excited. This is the bag as usual. All right, that's it. That is the kinky curly texture as usual, texture wise on point. I don't have any complaints. I mean, this is just my first impressions, but you know, when it comes to Nadula hair, they always deliver. Okay, you can see how naturally shiny the wig is. It's shiny, it's nice. You can wear it with these curls, but me, I'm not going to wear it with these curls, right? But you can wear it like this if that's your vibe. Yeah, so you can see how the lace has been bleached, the lace has been cut, and it has been styled, and then the cap is breathable. Yeah, this is a breathable cap. Then you have this extra elastic band to secure it. This feels quite snug already. Then you have the comb here. Then you also have drawstring. Okay, it's a drawstring wig. Like, when I said it doesn't get better than that, I meant it, okay? But let me tell you something. Let me tell you something that makes it even better than it already is. This wig comes with kinky 4C edges. Can you guys see those edges? Can you see those edges? It comes with 4C edges. Yeah, it comes with 4C edges. So, like... like, this just makes me so happy, because I've not had a wig like this in a while. A wig that you just throw on your head and you're going. If you look at here, you can tell that it has already been styled. Let me just show you guys. You can tell that it has already been styled for you. This part even looks hot comb. Just look at the lace, look at the parting. Well done. This is a well done wig. So I'm just going to apply my contour shade to the edges, just so that it can blend with my forehead contour. Okay. So these are the front hair, baby hairs. Yeah, so that's the wig right now. Okay, that's the texture. If you want to wear it like this, you can, but I highly suggest you don't wear it like this, please. Okay, you can work on it and make it look even better. Wigs like this, textures like this go very well with water and mousse, or even just water is enough for this wig to pop. Okay, so I'm going to be working on it right now. I love the 4C edges because it just means that it's not going to stress me when I wear the wig and I just throw the wig on and move out. It's not going to stress me because it's just blend with my natural 4C edges, which is fantastic, to be honest. Okay, so let me start with my edges. I'm just going to use mousse, you know, just play around with the edges. Just look at that pattern space. It looks very neat. So now when it comes to the hair itself, the first thing is to brush out the hair very well. That's what I normally do. For you to really transform it, you need water in a spray bottle and you need to take your time and brush it out. So you can use Y2 comb, or you can just use your regular brush. Let me use brush. I like the texture all brushed out. Like, I just want to remove that perfect you know, industrial texture. So this is one side all brushed out. You guys, I love this texture. The way it is, I actually love it. This is so, it's giving soft afro. Okay, this is the texture all brushed out. You can actually leave it like this, to be honest. You can actually like go for this texture. It's really nice, but this is not the end. We need to take it to the next level, like I said. Okay, this is not the next level, but this is such a nice look. Okay, if you want to do your photo shoots, you want to do like your African queen kind of look, If you want to go for that African queen kind of vibe, this texture is it. Okay, I'm going to be using only mousse, right? But you can use leave-in conditioner and mousse, or you can use leave-in conditioner and gel, whatever, you know, preference you have. You can go ahead and use it. Basically what you use on your normal natural hair, like if you wanted to do like a wash and go or something, all those products that you normally use, you can use them. So the trick is to divide the hair in sections again, then spray your water again. You see that? That's the look we're going for. So you can also add some finger coils. If you wanted to have finger coils, you can just take a clump of hair. Okay, so the hair is almost completely dry. Just look at that texture. One thing I like about it is that because I use just water and mousse, the hair is very light and just free. Just, it's not like stiff and it's not weighed down. It's just light and, you know, has a lot of movement, which I like. Yeah, it's giving what I wanted it to give. So I'm just going to use this to kind of add more volume to it, but not much, because over time, naturally, the hair gets more voluminous. So you don't really need to do this. But if you want that, you want to have that voluminous look instantly, just use an afro comb and then pick it out. Try not to disrupt your finger curls. Just try not to disrupt your finger curls. But this is just like picking it out. Oh, this is cute. I love it. I don't want to disrupt it too much, but this part looks guys, that is the final look. How do I look? I know I look amazing, okay? So I'm going to leave a link to this wig in the description box as always, so you go and check it out and get it for yourself. You guys saw how I styled this wig. Like, it didn't come looking like this, but the wig has a lot of potential. And I'm wearing it glueless, okay? As you guys can see, it is glueless, okay? I don't have any glue on it. It's so seamless. It has fussy edges, but because of the way I use mousse, it's not really showing. But over time, when the mousse weakens, you will see the fussy edges and it will look really natural, okay? And also, you can part it on either side. It is a 7x5, but you can part it here. You can actually open it somewhere here. Yeah, you can actually open it on either side if that's what you like. But for me, I just like it like this, okay? Maybe later on I can change it up, but for right now, this is a perfect look. I love this length. I like how it is, you know, just framing my face. You can trim it some more if you want, but to be honest, I don't really care about trimming it. But you can trim it some more so that it will have this, like, you guys know that shape, right? That's afro kind of shape. But it's okay for me. I like it like this. Yeah, from Nadula Hair, check the description box for all the details, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.